Hi guys, this is Vivek and welcome to yet another unboxing video from Gizbot. Today what we have is the Amazfit GTR 4 smartwatch, which is a flagship smartwatch from Amazfit with a lot of features like GPS support, map support and more. So without wasting any further time, let's do the same. This is the Indian retail unit package of the Amazfit GTR 4 smartwatch. As you can see on the front, they have the actual image of the watch itself, which looks a lot like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Again, if you look at the side, they have mentioned some of the features, which contains a 1.43-inch HD AMOLED display, dual band 5 satellite positioning system, easy 24-hour health management, and it also offers ultra long battery life. On the back again you have some of the features and specifications of this watch, including the feature that comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 and the watch can be used with both Android and iOS devices. So let us actually unbox this device. Again, as I mentioned before, the watch also supports Alexa out of the box. Inside the box we have another box which slides off easily. Inside the box we have the actual smartwatch itself, which comes with a metal body and soft silicone strap, which can be replaced with a regular strap. Next we have another compartment within the box which has a pretty thick user manual, and then we have the charging cable itself. Which is again similar to the charging cable that you might already have seen with other Amazfit smartwatches. But the actual smartwatch itself, which comes with a circular AMOLED display with a bit of a bezel around, and it also has a rotating button and another normal button. To power on the watch, we just have to press on the rotating crown. I got a slight vibration on the watch, that means it is actually turning on. Before it turns on, let us look at the back of the smartwatch, where it has a couple of sensors which will help you measure things like your SpO2 and a lot more. Again, as I mentioned, this watch can be used with both Android and iOS devices, and to do the same you have to download the Zepp app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. I have already downloaded the app and I will start pairing. To pair, just have to click on the ad, then select watch, then the watch will start searching, then the phone will start searching for the watch. Then I have to scan this barcode on my phone. Once I do that, the watch will automatically get paired to my smartwatch. The watch will automatically get paired to my smartphone, and I have to press pair. And you also have to select the binding option on the watch. As you can see, it says binded successfully. Again, this is how the actual UI of the watch looks like. Swipe from the top to get quick notification settings. You can swipe from the bottom to get all the notifications. If you swipe to the left, you will get Amazon Alexa and other features. To swipe to the right, you get all the health related features, including the weather details. If you press the bottom button, which also has a red accent, it directly goes to some of the physical activity modes that are available, like outdoor running, walking, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, pool swimming, climbing, golfing, elliptical, and a lot more. You can go to the setting and add a lot more activities. To change the home screen wallpaper or the watch face, you have to long press on it, and you can select either of these. You're done. Go to the smartphone where it says it has been paired. As you can see, it already received a new software update, so you have to make sure that it is running on the latest available firmware to get all the possible features of the smartwatch. As you can look at The update note, it says it supports up to 150 working modes and 8 workout detection. It also supports sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring and other health related functions, and it also supports Bluetooth phone, offline music and voice assistant. Again, now we have to wait for almost 10 minutes to get the watch updated to the latest operating system. For more unboxing videos, reviews and features, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification each time we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.